Welcome to US Triple Tap. This is a review of the XDM Compact 9mm. The barrel length is 3.8 inches. Once again, this is the XDM model out of the box review. Let's take a look. Once again, the case on the XDM series has rails on both sides to put your lights or reloaders, and I'm going to show you in a second here, that come with the gun. All right. Okay, out of the box, you're going to get with the XDMs, you're going to get the one-shot shell. All right. Inside the box here, you're getting two magazines here. One full-size XDM magazine, all right, that holds, let's take a look, 19 rounds. Any XDM magazine will fit this gun. If you want it to, because it's a compact gun, you want to extend the grip, you can get these aftermarket grips, adapters. You have three different sizes here, just because you have three different size inserts, small, medium, and large, that come with the gun. This gun will fit any size hands as a result of that. So if you have a kid, lady, or an adult male, you're going to be able to fit this gun to anybody. All right. So if you switch the back strap out, you're going to have to put the right size adapter for the magazine on. That's if you want to shoot 19 rounds. If you want to go out target shooting and all, this might be a good way to be using this gun just like a regular target gun or hunting gun. If you want to be carrying it concealed, you have the shorter magazine available, which will make the gun grip length and a lot shorter. You will only have 13 rounds if you're doing it this way. I'm going to show you a difference of it real quick here. Okay, empty chamber, brand new, nicely polished match grade barrel in the XDMs. All right. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's your overall size on the grip. There's my hand underneath it. You have only 2 fingers to handle the recoil. You have a grip safety there. You have an indicator that it is cocked and ready to go. If you have a round in the chamber, that will pop up. All right. You do have a light rail with the XDMs and the XD series guns. You have ambidextrous magazine releases also on these guns. The XDM series, besides the match grade barrel, it has advertised the shortest reset trigger from a production gun. Show you the reset on this gun here. Once again, the gun was empty. We're going to go and show you. I don't shoot lefty all the time, but here we go. Here's your, oh, got a magazine in there. Okay, watch the reset. And press back again. And it has a nice crisp trigger that comes stock with it. If you want a better, fancier trigger for competition or whatever, there's plenty of aftermarket triggers out there. Anyway, that's a short version, as short as it gets for concealed carry. Show you the other magazine in it as a comparison. All right, now we got all 3 fingers on there, and we have more control for muzzle flip. All right. What else comes with this gun? You're going to have your lock that comes with all guns nowadays. I already went over the back straps that come with it, 3 different sizes to fit all hands. You're going to have a paddle holster that can slide inside easily, or you can thread a belt through it too. So either or. That's a nice holster, actually, adjustable. This is also adjustable to double mag pouch. All right. This is for a 9mm or a 40. And then you have your easy loader system that Springfield has a patent pending on. All right. That's about everything about the gun. Once again, match grade barrel, shortest reset trigger, a light rail. You can switch out the back straps for any size hand. It's also thin here on the top of the grip, so if you have smaller hands, you can still get your hands around there to the trigger, so you have a good finger press on the trigger. You have like the 1911 grip safety, and I'll show you an example of that here. The hand is not on the gun. The trigger won't, the firing pin will not be released. If you have it down, as like you have a good grip of the gun, now you can press the trigger, and there it goes, click. 3.8 inch barrel, compact XDM 9. All right, I'll see you downrange. All right, we're downrange now with the Springfield Armory compact pistol. This is the 3.8 inch barrel. It's the XDM series gun. We're going to shoot with the extended magazine to start, which will give me a better pistol grip, and that way we'll find out how accurate this 3.8 inch barrel is from the 15-yard line. I will also shoot with the smaller barrel. I'll just aim at a different point on the target and we'll be able to compare the two. All right, stand by. That's 5 with the extended magazine. Going to do 5 more with the compact version of the gun. Totally small grip there. We're only going to get 2 fingers on the grip. For this one, I'm going to be aiming at the handgun on the target. I'm going to aim right at the barrel on the handgun on the target, 15-yard line. All right, let's take a look at how it did. All right, as I was walking up to the target yesterday, I had my battery die in the video camera. So I had to actually go home, recharge it, and here I am again. I took the same target and placed it on a new target stand. So you'll see some cardboard behind the holes from yesterday. Also, I ended the day with a triple tap failure drill. And so there'll be an extra bullet hole in the center mass A-zone shots, which I originally took from the 15-yard line with the full-size XD magazine, which allowed me to have a full-size grip. And let's take a look at what that grouping looked like. This is the A-zone. You can see the outline of the A-zone here of the target. The grouping from the 15-yard line is a pretty good group considering it's a 3.8 inch barrel. This one shot up here was part of the failure drill triple tap, but down here I'm not sure which the order was. I did throw 2 shots down here for the failure drill, and then 1 shot to the head, and the 1 shot to the head went right there and he would be dead. So that would be the full-size magazine grip, 3.8 inch barrel from the 15-yard line, not too shabby. And then down here was the smaller magazine, which only allowed me to have my middle finger and ring finger on the grip. Now let's take a look at the grouping here. I was aiming for the center of the barrel of the handgun, and the grouping was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once again, that's not too bad for a 3.8 inch barrel. The trigger pull on that Springfield Armory XD M was just as good as the ones in the full-size versions of the XDM pistol. As far as the overall review goes, I really like that gun. I think it has some versatility because of the full-size grips that you can put on it, and that way you have more rounds to shoot. If you really need to get it small for a backup gun on the ankle, or trying to just carry it concealed, it's a very nice gun that gives you options as far as making it smaller or carrying a full-size handled gun. The accuracy, as you can see from the 15-yard line, is very good. This is a 9mm review of the Springfield Armory XDM 3.8 inch compact handgun. Once again, thank you for visiting US Triple Tap, and I'll see you again downrange.